Hello everyone, welcome everyone. Hello my amazing, lovely YouTube family and all my viewers. I'm very happy to see you after such a long time. And remember, I am not here just to create some videos, but to actually help you become an independent, profitable traders. Okay. And the purpose of sharing these videos with you is that you can become an independent trader and you can start trading on your own self and you can start making profits in the market just like many of our students are doing it. There's so many successful stories in this lockdown frame. My students are doing really amazing. Okay, I'll be sharing with you also. So those of you who are not following me on Telegram channel, I also have my public Telegram channel. You can just follow or join that. It is absolutely free of cost. And if you do not have a Demat account, I'm sharing the link below. You can just go below and open a Demat account. Okay, if you already have a Demat account, then also you can open a Demat account. Okay, you can have as many Demat account as you want. So these are like the discount brokers. I have given the link of Angel Broking. It is a good one. And the Upstock also. Okay, you can use these two. Upstock is the started by Mr. Ratan Tata ji. Okay, so you can just start, you can just use that link to open your Demat account. Okay, because for stock markets you need that. Okay, so those of you joining me for the very first time in a stock market technical analyst, and I help you to make money in the markets in through independent trading. Okay, through stock market trading basically. Okay, so today the topic for today's class is how I have given the trades in the last few days. So I'll be sharing some very powerful concepts. The powerful, I'm going to show you how powerful this technical analysis is if you actually use it very wisely. Okay, and you will be surprised yourself. I'm going to prove it to you. So let's get ahead with this. Okay, so let me just share my screen. I will share my charts with you all. So these are the charts over here. Okay, so these are the MT4 charts which I use. Many people keep asking me that which chart I use. So this is MT4 charts which I use. Okay, so we will take you back to the Nifty analysis. Okay, so let's just have a look at Nifty, how the Nifty has been for such a long time. Okay, so if you see, this is the daily time frame. Okay, daily chart. Yes, this is the daily chart of Nifty. So if you actually look at it over here, this was the time from where it actually started to fall in the month of January. Okay, so just have a look at it. This is the month of January, 20th January 2020. Okay, this was a big candle which was formed over here. Let me just go back and show it to you. Okay, so this was a big daily time candle which was formed over here. There's a special pattern which is formed over here, which has given you a self confirmation in the January month itself. Okay, when did the lockdown happen? Lockdown happened in March. Okay, this is January. So we started to create selling trades. Okay, this was the initiation of the selling trades. यानी कि सेल के ट्रेड बनना स्टार्ट हो गए थे जनवरी में ही. ओके, तो यहाँ पर सेल का ट्रेड बना हुआ है और ये लंबा गया है. ओके, टू 7500 up to. Okay, let's just have a look at it. So this was basically double top pattern which I share in my advanced technical program. If you just let me just explain you in short. So this is a basically okay, it's just going back. Just a second. Okay, yeah. So there are basically, after a very, the double top is basically formed after a big up move. Okay, so this was, up move was going on over here, and then this was top, and then it has just went down from here, then again came up to this level, and there it was a very big bearish candle. Bearish means negative candle was formed over here, which has actually covered the whole body of this. Okay, there's another pattern also which is formed over here, candlestick pattern, which you don't know right now, those of your beginner. But let me just explain you this. Okay, so the fall has begun over here. This is January. Okay, remember the date, 20th January. or the bottom of this screen, you will be able to see a date 20th January, and the time is also visible over this. Okay, so this fall has started to begin. I mean, the fall had begun at that time, and then it started going down and down and down and down. Okay, so this was the time where the market was around 7,500 levels. Okay, so this was the time around 7,500 levels. So all, there's so many people in the market who says they have a lot of experience or who know fundamentals and so many things. So they started saying this, that market will go to 6,000 levels, 5,000 levels, just like that, blindly. And so people like us, we don't understand fundamentals much, although we generally understand a little bit of fundamentals. But mostly all my trades I give in my Telegram channel to my students, to we do for our clients, everything, or personal trading is done on the basis of technical analysis. That is these charts. Okay, whatever these charts tell me to do, I do the same, and nothing special. Okay, so this is not a very rocket science. The students who have done this advanced program with us, the Profitable Traders Hub, they're part of Profitable Traders Hub. They are making good money. Okay, one of my students, Mrs. Selsby Ji, she's a housewife from Hyderabad. In this lockdown period, when the market was falling from here to here, she made from 50,000 rupees to more than 10 lakh rupees. Okay, in just this 3 to 4 months, from December, December 19 to this March April period, she made around 10 lakh rupees from 50,000 rupees. Okay, she was buying put daily in the options, and she was making good money. Okay, and there are many other students. I'll talk to you about later, but let's just focus over here. Why? And this is the time frame. Are able to see this? Look at it very, very beautifully. This is the time frame where this has given a buy trade in Nifty in the daily time frame. A very, very beautiful pattern, which is called a morning star pattern, which I had discussed in detail in my advanced program. So it is formed over here, okay, at the lower level. And so this has given a confirmation of buy in the daily time frame on this date itself, around 25th of March, okay, of a buy trade. This is confirmation of a buy trade in the daily time frame. Daily time frame means a very, very strong conviction. Okay, very, very strong move is about to happen. That means in the daily time frame. Okay, so let's just talk about this. When did the lockdown start? If you remember, it was on 22 March. If I remember, there can be 1-2 day up down, but 23 March, 24 March, this was a period around which the lockdown was started, and the people all around India, the so-called expert people, okay, well, see, I'm not 10 years, 20 years experience in this market, but I have 4 years of experience, which I have learned, and I was fortunate enough to learn it and then use it. I did not lost lakhs of rupees like other people who, like most of them, first lose the money and then try to learn. So I learned in before and then I entered in the market. So there was nothing like that I did gambling and I lost lakhs of rupees in the market. So I actually learned it in a proper way and then I entered the market. So 4 years of experience of learning and trading, and right now I am also teaching some students, so they are getting good results. So according to that, I understood that there was a buying about to happen over here, and this is given a confirmation of buy. Nothing was about to happen. It had already formed a confirmation on that time frame. So वहां पे उसने buy का signal दिया हुआ है clearly. तो क्यों ना buy किया जाए? चाहे लोग market में कुछ भी कह रहे हैं कि 5,000 जाएगा, 6,000 जाएगा, 5,000 level जाएगा, all this nonsense. Now I look back, I just laugh at those people. They used to be so confident because the lockdown has begun, and so the market will fall more. So, but if you actually look at it, it is so powerful that in the month of January to March, okay, although this corona and all this thing was started in other countries like America, started from China. So in December, the news came from China that this something is happening. But actually, the other countries like America and all these things, there the effect of corona was there. In India it was not still there. Okay, means the lockdown was also not there, so our works and everything was going like as usual. So but actually if you say in the March the lockdown has begun. Okay, and in before 3 months from January to March there was no lockdown, so the market was using actually the actual work, the physical work which was being done by people was like normal. Okay, it was going normal as usual. But if you have a look at it over here, in the March when the lockdown started, this has given a buy confirmation. So people who were like fundamental people, or those who are actually foolish people, or who just I don't know how on what basis they say some things. So they were saying the market will go 6,000, 5,000, and so on and so forth. First of all, I really don't understand from 7,500. How are you predicting 6,000? Like 1,500 points in, how are you doing that? What is the logic behind that without any? So anyways, whatever. So this has given a buy confirmation over, and we in our group, I'll just share you with my Telegram group, also private group. Do you want to see that? Okay, I'll share with you. So that has given us such amazing. We have been buying from this level, and you see, and this is a daily time frame. So minimum 1:1 target from 8,400 up to 9,400, that is 1,000 points in Nifty was definitely there. And we made a lot of money into this, okay? This is just Nifty I'm showing you, and the same thing happened in many stock specifics, okay? Bajaj Finance, we have been doing crazy buying. So we'll show you that. I'll show you that. So it has been going up, okay? So why I'm speaking in English is because many of the people who are from South India keep commenting that we don't understand Hindi. So I've decided that I will create one video in Hindi and one video in English. Okay, so this one is in English. Okay, so this is the way because we have to even cater South Indian people. Na? So you see, it has started going up, and if you take 1:2 targets, then it has gone up to this level. And then there was no looking back. Okay, it has gone up and up and up. A little bit of downfall, but overall it was going up. Then from 7,500 to it went up to 10,000 level. People were saying it will fall again. Then all these bullshit. It never came back to that level either. From 7,500, we are now, at a high at 13,800 levels. So you see, we have crossed such a big move. So this was a high of lifetime high 12,391, which was in the month of January. Okay, yes, it is in the month of January around. And now again in the month of 9th of November, we have successfully crossed that, and we are going above this level successfully. Okay, and even now there are no signs of reversal. There should be some little fall like these ones, but right now there's no fall in the market as of now, and neither the charts are showing it. Okay, so before getting into a fall, charts do show that it will give some signals. Okay, until and unless there's no bomb blast or something which is like unsudden, then market can open in a gap down. That can happen, but otherwise, if you see, we have, let me just minimize a little bit. So from here, forming the double top and then the candlestick pattern and starting the fall from here, okay, from January to March. And when the lockdown actually happened, means the things were closing, the economy was actually the lockdown happened, like most of the works were closed, especially the physical work, which can't be done on the online platform. And the market was all open. So, in this lockdown, like many people have entered this market after this lockdown period. So many people have opened a Demat account, and if you have not opened a Demat account, here's the link. Okay, so I've given the link, just use it. Okay, this is my affiliate link, and you will be able to open a free of cost in the Angel Broking, and it's Zerodha also, right? In last few months it was giving free, now they have charging for 249 rupees. So you can open both the Demat account. It's just nothing. If you want to earn crores of rupees, you can open a Demat account. First of all, that is the first process, you have to do it. Okay, so have a look at it over. So you realize that in the January to March there was no lockdown, but the chart has given you a confirmation of sell, so you were selling. And in the March, when the lockdown actually happened, the chart was giving you a buy signal. Okay, March, April, May, June, July, August. So we have been on the upside badly, and those people, and still, there were so many people who were so pessimistic. I don't know what is the logic, but this market has been going up in between. Some shots has been given, like it doesn't go like one way, like it's going right now. It is definitely a one-way move from 12,000 level to 13,800. So there should be a correction, a short correction, just like this one and these one, not like from 12,000 to 7,500. But there is a correction which is bound to happen, because market never go in one-way move. This is like this going up, down, going up and down, going up and down, going up and down, going up and down. Are you able to see this? So this is a bear move, but here there's nothing like that as of now. So whenever it will go, it will show some of the movements, okay, to go down. But as of now, there's no signal in the daily time frame, okay. So you realize the power, how powerful these technical charts are. When the people were saying that market will go down, it has given you a confirmation from 8400 level by forming a morning star daily time frame pattern. So always follow the charts, and whenever something is about to happen, chart will show in advance to you. Okay, so now let me just give you the proof. You were saying that she's saying so much. Or do you have a proof? Yes, I do have a proof. Okay, I don't say just like that. I do have a proof. So I'll give to take you to my Telegram channel group. This is my public Telegram group of my students. Okay, there are 58 students as of now. Okay, so let's have a look at it. Okay, this is I've clicking over here Bajaj Finance, and just you are able to see this 24th March. Okay, this is the recent one also, by the way. I'll just show you this also. Bajaj Finance is getting ready for a big move. Okay, this is a recent one. Let me just show you this first of all. This is 5th of November, okay, 2020. That is a recent one, okay, very, very recent. I'll just show you that also. So this is this is proof, okay, 5th of November. And let me just share with you once more, because I don't know I'm able to share my screen or not. Okay, so 5th November 2020 at 2:20 p.m. Okay, Bajaj Finance ready for big move, and there's a price also 3774. Okay, this was a price. So let me just get back to you this. So one of my students who says this, after so much 175 plus, is it still going to go up move? So I was like, yes. Yes, so I just showed you this much. Okay, so this is like 3771 over here, and the date is over here 5th November. Okay, this is recent one. So it's like we keep on like sharing, and other students also get benefits. So one of our students says that is this ready for after so much of move even now? So I was like, yes, it's giving a fresh move, very strongly up move. You're not necessarily intraday, but the move is on. We are very far from its before COVID levels. Okay, so just have a look at it. Okay, now I'm going to take you back from November 5, okay, November 5 to right now. What is the price? 5,000. Okay, so from 30, and I'm going to take you back to the actual chart. Okay, so let's take you to the actual chart on 5th of November. You will understand it. Okay, the power of technical charts, and it's a very, very powerful. Okay, so have a look at it. So this is around that level only when there was a move. Okay, so just this is the 6th of November. Okay, so this was 5 of November when I gave a buy over here. And then look at it. Let's look at it. Okay. Let me just remove these horizontal lines so that this is, I generally share the future chart because I take the trade in futures. Okay. So these are future charts. Okay, so let me just share you this. So this is over here. Okay, so what exact? So one of the students asked why after such a big move, because if you look at it, this is like on that very day, 5th November, from 35 7 8, it has gone up to 37 A4. Okay, this is I'm showing you recently. I'll also show you the March also, that you don't say that, oh, she's showing the new one. Where's the old one? I'll show you that also. Okay, I'll show you that because we have been buying Bajaj Finance from 2000 levels. And I personally bought it in cash in my Demat account at 2000 level. I told my family to also buy it. Then at 2000 level and then 3000 levels also. We have been buying from 1800, 2000, 2500, 3000. And I recently, at the latest, I bought it at 3700. It was this level, okay? 3735. That was my buying price in cash level, okay? So this is a good one, like a very quality company. So let's talk about this in terms of trading right now. So I messages that they're ready for a very, very big move. Okay, so this is a very, very big move. Although my target was like around 600 points, not very much, but 600 is around this level. Okay, 4500, but it just successfully crossed that also. So you have to be ready on that. And 2 days back, I did this trade also over here. But anyways, let's just show you this. So this is ready to go up from here. I told you that because this was a very, very strong breakout. What is the why I gave a strong buy move over here? Because whenever there's some old level is crossed on a strong note, then there's something big is about to happen. So here I have told you a secret that whenever there's something old move, which has been a very long level of trading, which have been resisting, then if you were able to track that level, then there's something big about to happen, and that big has happened over here actually. Okay, this big has happened over here. So just watch on this. Okay, so it has given this 4500 levels, and then today, that is not today, I mean yesterday, today is Saturday, so it has gone up to this 5300 levels. And let me tell you one more thing, I did this trading yesterday, like 2 days back. I did a trading on this also in the futures for 100 points intraday. This one, okay, over here, when this was a breakout, you're able to see this. It went up to 5168, but I booked my profit at 5100 levels, so 100 points. Okay, you cannot be, you have to be smart also to book profits. So it depends on your how much at your level you are satisfied. You won't be able to pick up the exact point at upside or exact point at the lower level. So you have to be like keep booking on profits on the timely basis. So this was around at this level. I brought it over. I kept it stop loss of 50 points. Okay, and then I booked the 100 points over here immediately. So that was around in the future 23 to 23,500 approximately. Yeah, that was 250 is the lot size, so some point less than 100. So I booked my profit around that level. Okay, so this was the just 2 days back. Yes, and then again it just went over here. Then here I didn't do any trade because I was not able to understand, but it is still on an up move, likely to go up to 5500, but it has successfully touched 5300 level. So let's see. So this was, I was showing you the Bajaj Finance stock. This was a recent buy. Okay, now I'm, because people say that it's gone up to so much high level, 3700 levels, it is setting the previous high, so it should go down now. So that is why I'm showing you this. Okay, to now let me just share this again with you. Okay, so this is Telegram, back to Telegram. Okay, so as I saw Bajaj Finance in this Telegram group, so have a click. Let me just go back to this is 24th of March. Okay, so now we are going to the very, very back. Okay, back in time on in the March month. Today we are in the November month, so we are going back in time on the time where I was showing you the Nifty charts. Okay, so because the Nifty was going up, all the other charts were also going up. So this is a proof in front of you all, and this is not one of these. There's so many trades which I like, chart patterns which I keep saying. Okay, so this is over here. So this is like I think I have only shown this is Bajaj Finance 100 points up, target done as per me. Now in 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, more strong pattern forming. Okay, so this is, let me just click over here. So this, what is the price? 2300. Now is the price of, so I told you we started buying at this level. Okay, so at a very lower level. So this is 2300 price. When people were saying sell, 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 the crazily, madly, and I don't know what nonsense logic were they saying. And I was like, what is this? Why are you creating this? It was really making me laugh on this something. But anyways, so 2300 is the price over here, and we have completed 100 points. Okay, as I must have sent some other charts all over here. So they must be in before this. Anyway, so I'll just show you after this. Okay, so this is the 100. We started buying at 2300 levels, and 100, I am seeing 100 points done. So I would have given the before chart, that will be a back then not visible maybe. So this is the Nifty also. See, I have started giving this buy in the smaller time frame. This is 24th of March. You're able to see this 24th March. I showed you this in the actual Nifty chart, the original chart of the day time frame. So, this is the 24th March, 11:50 a.m. Okay. So this is exact day when the market was at lowest level, and I was in our group. We were talking about the buying of Nifty, and when the like most of the people was saying sell, 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 and with low logic. I still don't understand. But so I've done channel formation also plus addition with short to high time frames, means that the confirmation of buying is being done. So we are picking up at the lowest level. The powerful, what is so powerful in this chart is we are picking up the lower level. हम लोग बहुत नीचे के लेवल से पिक अप कर रहे हैं, बाकी स्टॉप लॉस नेग्लिजिबल. आप देखो 7580 is the price, वहां से हमने बाय करना स्टार्ट किया है. ओके, 2300 मैंने आपको बजाज फाइनेंस अभी I just showed you the Bajaj Finance 2300. The lower level was 1800. We have been trying to buy at 2011. I cannot show you each and every chart. There have been so many charts from March to December. So whatever I am trying to show, I'm showing you. Okay, so I've shown you this from 7,500 level. We are on the buying side of this. So you see from 7,500 to 12,000 level. So this is not and I keep saying these are all live. I am sharing, giving so much of help to my students. Okay, so yeah, so people keep giving a yes, ma'am. It was first day. It was an amazing experience. Thank you for your support. So people keep typing. This is one of my students, Nivedita. She says Bajaj Finance Hammer. Target this. So she bought 2,300 levels, and I entered late in fourth candle. Entry this. See, this is 21, 2,185, 2,000 levels she entered, and she captured 186 points. So you see, her 186 points in intraday is not a joke. And she's like a new trader, absolutely new. She didn't have any knowledge in advance. So you see, this is a practical proof in front of you. This is olden time, March 24, 2020, when the market was at the lowest level of the Nifty. And here I'm going to show you this. Okay, so there are many more charts I can keep on showing, but I think for today, this is much is enough, which I was trying to show you. And so there are many other patterns which keep forming. Okay, and I'll just show you for your information. This let me just show you. Okay, so let's go back. This is the okay. Have a look at it. This is my public Telegram channel. Okay, there's 691 subscribers. Okay, so if you see, there are 881 photos over here. So if I click over here, this is like around this is 18 December. Okay, this is like one day back. So this is on 17th of December. I gave this Infosys. Okay, 17th December, 12:18 p.m. Keep a watch on Infosys. Okay, Infi is the short form for Infosys. It has been consolidating a lot. Something big is about to happen. Actually, I bought this in futures in the last day on 17th December, and for 18th December, we were like on the upside. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so if you talk about this, so this was the price. If you're able to see this 1173, if you're not able to see over here, you can see the original chart. I'll just show you. So this was yesterday. Sorry, this is not yesterday. Friday today. Yesterday was Friday. Now it is on Thursday. Thursday is the 17th December. 18th December is Friday. So I'll today is Saturday now. Today is off. So I'll be going to show you in the original chart. Okay. So Infosys. This is Infosys. Okay. So this was the closing. Okay. This was the closing. And okay, so this was the closing, and this open. Look at it. This is opened up on such a high note. Closing was around 1162. It has opened up on 1100 and what is the opening price? 1183, and made a high of 1198. Okay, even if like you would have waited till the end of the day, then also you would have exited at 1190. So 30 points you got over here. 600 is the lot size, so 18,000 rupees in one feature lot. I exited it around this 85 level. Yes, I exited it a little early in the morning itself. Okay, I bought it at 1163 somewhere here, and I exited at 1100 and 1190, I guess, somewhere around in the first hour itself. I exited. I don't know the exact price. So I exited. So you see, this is the power of technical analysis. So some of you must be asking, what is this happening over here in this pattern? See, this is a triangle chart pattern. Okay, this is a triangle chart pattern. This is very powerful, along with the support resistance breakout. Okay, whenever there is a price which is at an upper level or a lower level, if it gets broken up, okay, this is called a breakout. If it is breaking up above, then we call it a breaking above. Then if it's breaking down, then it's called breaking above. So if it is breaking above, we try to buy. If it is breaking downwards, we try to sell. So here it is given a buying opportunity. Okay, but you will be saying that this is it was still down. How did you buy in advance? So this comes from the experience and technical analysis. So you need to practice a little bit and learn the advanced program. See, let me tell you one thing. If you don't invest in your learnings, then you won't be able to make money. And my course is like, I'm charging very negligible price. So this much you can make in a single trades I'm giving you. I'm just doing a novel cause by my course. So that's not my main source of income. My source of income is this trading mainly, and helping my clients to make money. That is my major source of income as of now. And another thing is this teaching thing, like coaching was, I didn't do it myself, neither I had any plan of doing it, but there were many students, there were many people whom I known basically. Now they were students who who made me like, please start a course. You're so good in this. So that was, then I started this course. It was not like I wanted to really do it. It came up from there. So then I thought, okay, fine, that why not? I had been teaching mathematics earlier to students. Then I realized that I have a good teaching skill. So why not do it? So this is how it came out. In around 1 year, it had been. I have been teaching this stock market course. Okay. So remember this. This is the way we are doing it. Okay? We are buying above this level. Okay. So I think this is too much for today. You might not be able to get it. So just the purpose of this video was to show you that how powerful this is. Okay, when the market was falling, how we were able to pick up at 7,500 levels. Okay, so that's all for today. And remember that we are not just here to just share these videos with you, but I genuinely want you to make money in the markets, to actually learn this, to master this. And it is not a rocket science. You can do it, and you can do it very, very easily. Okay. So be in touch with me, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and let it spread to thousands and lakhs of people who are in need of learning this. And there's many other videos which I have given in the back. Okay, just go and scroll it and learn them. I will just give you the link of Reliance Industries. When it was a 1600 level, I gave a buy on that, and it for 200, 2000 and 2100 levels, 4 to 500 points. And it gave the points immediately in 1 to 2 weeks. So if you want to know the secret behind how I was able to do that, just go back to that video and watch that. Okay. And open a Demat account, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to also subscribe the Telegram channel, where I keep giving the live updates of the market, where you can also make money. Okay, that's just like Infosys I gave you. That is free of cost. You can do that. Okay, and those of you who are interested in joining my advanced program, you can do that. And in the coming week, that is the December, it is ending of the month. Okay, ending of the year, 25th, 26th, 27th. That is the Beacon 3-day class I have started to as a beginner series. Okay, those who are like hesitant to go for the advanced program, you just come and join me for the beginner program. I'm charging negligible, like 500 plus GST rupees. So I'll share the link of that also in the Telegram channel. Also, you will get it. So just join that program, and you will be able to learn so much of basics and some of the advanced things. We will be 3 days with me, and this is the last time I'm giving you this opportunity to at this price. This is the year end. Okay, so this is going to be the end of this program forever, and I'm going to charge a little more because I've come live for 2 hours. Okay, live session 2 hours each day, 6 hours of session, and stock market. Okay, if you can make that much money in like seconds. So if you are interested in learning the beginners series and want to connect with me, and then click on the link below, and this will be an InstaMojo link. Okay, for 3-day session. So you can join me over there also. And for any other things you want me to make specific topics, आप चाहते हैं कि मैं इस टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनाऊं, तो प्लीज राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन which topic you want me to make videos. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye bye, see you and enjoy.